Good morning, my dear students. I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar, Department of SST. Today I want to explain lesson 1 from Geography for Standard 8. And the heading of this present lesson is Resources. What is the meaning of resources? What are the main types of resources? I am going to put my view, I am going to make explanation. Now, definition of resources. At first, what is the meaning of resources? What is the definition of resources? In this regard, I can say that anything that is present in the nature, once again, anything that is present in the nature and that satisfies or fulfills our needs are known as resources. Once again, definition: anything which is present in the nature and that fulfills or satisfies our needs are known as resources. As for example, air is a kind of resource, water is a kind of resource, land is also a kind of resource, roads and buildings are also the example of resource. Now, types of resources. What are the main types of resources? I want to explain you. Here are mainly two types of resources. One is known as man-made resource and another is known as natural resource. And now explanation about these two resources, man-made resource and natural resource. What is the meaning of man-made natural resource? At first, I want to put my view on natural resource. What is the meaning of natural resource? Those resources which are obtained directly by the nature and used without much modification. There is no necessity to modify those resources. Those resources which we get directly by the nature and there is no need for modification. Those resources are known as natural resource. As for example, air, water, minerals, soil, land, sunlight, forest, etc. These are the examples of natural resource. And now, next resource, that is known as human resource. What is the meaning of human resource? Those resources which are developed by the human beings by using their mind, power, capacity and technology, and after that we use those resources. Those resources are known as human made resources. As for example, buildings, roads, ponds, bridges, and after that, which are more essential in our life, they are means of communication and transportation and development of technology. These resources are known as human resource or man-made resource. My dear students, today I have taught you about the resource and the main kinds of resources and the explanation of those resources, and on next day I shall teach you about two more types of resources, and they are actual resource and potential resource. So wait for the next day. A lot of thanks to all my dear students.